bioluminescent algae.
The fun. You want that algae or no? Bioluminescent algae. It's from Moana.
This is moss.
Oh.
Algae is like in the ocean.
that you came into?
Well, it's like
Oh,
algae
you
is like
wanted to
in
walk.
water. Algae is like the shit that's in. You're gonna have to like. I took marine biology.
Smart. I don't want to go too far from the four-wheeler sitting there. That shit's gonna get stolen. We're gonna be like, sorry, Uncle Sam. We can walk back. I don't think we're that far right now. Or we can like
Walk
find-
back. Why?
Well, like, cause I don't want to leave the four-wheeler just like unattended.
I will take it.
We're going to-
We're gonna take it back. What do you mean?
What? No, I mean like we can bring the four-wheeler back and walk back here
Oh,
to
yeah.
climb up, or like maybe we'll just find a cooler spot down there. Oh my God. Slide with it. Just I am trying, but I'm like, there's a balance. You know what I mean? We're Libras, so like.
I'm a Virgo.
Were you? I thought you
Yes.
were like later into.